Courts have been extremely insensitive. In fact, on these issue of disappearances, all are insensitive. The police, the civil administration, the media, as well as the mainstream India, because the major part of disappearances and custodial violence is directed against the dissidents and also against the minorities, and in the context it is contrasted as if it is against national interest. So the whole country becomes silent when you target Sikhs in Punjab, you target Naxalites in Andhra Pradesh, you target the Muslim militants in Kashmir. So it is always presented as if Sikhs versus the rest of India. Therefore, whatever sympathy the system could have, that also vanishes, and they are treated as terrorists not entitled to any rights, and that's how even the court treats them. Even our habeas corpus petition during those days were not entertained. Therefore, only in rare cases where you have very alert parents or alert relatives or alert friends who pursued the matter immediately till the Supreme Court, that there were inquiries by central agencies like CBI and truth has come out. In ordinary cases, this procedure has failed completely. First, you file a writ in the High Court for an inquiry. If you are lucky, inquiry is ordered. Then the report comes either by the session judge inquiry or by some other officer's inquiry that yes, there is something in the allegation and in fact his son has been actually abducted and killed. Thereafter, again there will be objection by the police and an FIR will be directed to be registered. The same police registered an FIR, then they will not collect evidence. Again you go back to the court. Now you say the police is not doing anything even after registration of FIR. Then the court will again direct, present the final report, charge sheet against the accused. Then they will present the accused before the court and present the charge sheet. Then the witnesses will not give evidence because the same police will influence the witnesses, will advise them not to do it, will threaten them. In fact, in many cases they would register criminal cases against the witnesses also. So the witness will run away. And if finally the witnesses also give evidence, finally the last stage would be they will try to purchase the victim family, give them lure them with enormous amount of money. My experience is that our High Court has in fact tried always to minimize the role of the police officers abusing his powers on the premise that he was fighting the national battle against terrorism, and therefore he has to be shown all concessions and to be given all protections, and only in extreme cases where there was no other possible way of interpretation, they have chosen to punish.